Welcome everybody. Let's start our tour of Python, beginning with what is Python. Python is a powerful multi-paradigm computer programming language. It is optimized for programming productivity, code readability, and software quality. Python is a language that lets you work more quickly and integrate your system more effectively. You can learn to use Python and can see almost immediate gains in productivity and lower maintenance cost. Now let's see the gems of Python. First, Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming. That is, it provides all the functionalities which are supported by any other object-oriented language, including classes, objects, inheritance, operator overloading, and so on. For example, see the figure here. Animal is a class that describes the behaviors and states that objects of its type support, and dog and bird are the objects that have those states and behaviors. For example, dog can run, bird can fly, the colors of two are different. What I mean to say is that here animal defines the characteristics and dog and bird are those that have those characteristics, but the values for the characteristics are different. Okay, now let's see the next gem, glue language. Now this is an interesting one. Python at many places is used as an integration language used to glue together existing components written in other languages. For example, Python system allows coders to mix Python and C-like code. Similarly, we have Python for Java and IronPython for .NET based implementation. Using Python, better applications can be developed because different kind of programmers can work together on a project. Portable. Python is available wherever you want. It can compile and runs on virtually every major platform currently in use. As a partial list, Python is available on Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac operating system, Red Hat, cell phones running Symbian, and Windows Mobile, gaming consoles, iPods, tablets and smartphones running Google's Android and Apple iOS. Easy to learn. Python is easy to pick up whether you are a first-time programmer or you are experienced with other languages. Syntactically, Python code looks like executable pseudocode. Due to its clear syntax, it can be learned easily. Now there are other gems of Python that includes, first, Python is free. That is, Python is developed under an OSI approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable, even for commercial use. Powerful. Python is a powerful language. Its toolset places it between the traditional scripting language such as TCL, Perl, etc. and system development languages such as C, C++ and Java. Thus provides all the simplicity and ease of using a scripting language along with more advanced software engineering tools found in compiled languages. Ease of use compared to the alternatives like C++, Java, C#, Python programming is astonishingly simple. To run a Python program, you simply type it and run it. There are no intermediate compile and link steps like there are in other languages such as C and C++. Now dynamic typing. Tired of declarations and keeping track of data types? Well, Python is here for you. Python doesn't require complicated type and size declarations in your code. In fact, there is no such thing as a type or variable declaration anywhere in Python. So these are the features: the simplicity of language, the ease of learning and use, dynamic typing, and many other features that led to the rapid development of the programs in Python. Users of Python. We can see how famous Python is by just looking at its users. We can see the power of Python by seeing the big names of the organizations that are using Python like Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Nokia, BitTorrent, and many more. Now what job trend says? Now this is what I think every one of you want to know, the future scope in Python. So let's see a graph. As you can see from the graph here, the percentage growth of jobs in Python is tremendous. As compared to other languages like Java and PHP, the demand for Python programmers is increasing day by day. Now let's check out what all we can do in Python. Games. Creating an entire game in a single day seems like an imagination, right? Don't worry, Python is here to turn your imagination into reality. Let's see a running example. See here, this is a game, this is the instructions. We can play this game. This game is created in Python. Okay, this is an example. Now mining. Mining, you can also mine data using Python. Data mining or knowledge discovery is the computer-assisted process of digging through and analyzing enormous set of data and then extracting the meaning of the data. See an example here. Here I'm mining the Twitter. Okay, for mining Twitter, first we have to create some Twitter specific API keys like this. See, our key is generated. Now I'm using my mining to find the current trends in the world and especially in our country, India. Okay, so I'm running this program. See here, we get the kernel busy message. So it is generating our output. Let's wait for it to run. See here, this is our data. In this we get the current trends in the world. Okay. Now let's see another use of Python. Sending text. Sending text without disclosing your number. It's also possible in Python. You only have to write a code of hardly 10 lines and you get your messaging app. Let me show you the screenshot of my messaging app. See here. This is a message I sent from my Python code. Okay, and see here, the name here is, here my number is not displayed, but I'm getting another variable like LM072106. Chat application. Want to create your own chat application? Why to wait when we have this wonderful language Python? See here. This is our client, this is our host. I'm sending a text from host and I'm getting the message on our client. Okay, now client is replying, say hello, and server receives the message from the client saying hello. Here I show the client and host on the same PC. Okay, so I can show you both the client and host, but these client and host can be present on the different PCs so that you can communicate with another person. Keylogger. This ethical hacking tool can record all the keystrokes on particular application like web browser. For example, suppose you hand over your laptop to your friend and now you want to know that the activities of your friend, that how your friend is using your laptop. So you can get all the record of that. See here, I'm showing an example. Suppose your friend accesses his Gmail account, entering his ID and password, something. Okay. Now all this get recorded in a file that you created on your computer by using the Python code. See here, this is the user ID of your friend and this is the password. Okay. So this is one of the another thing you can do in Python. Pattern making. Let's have some fun with Python by making interesting patterns using very simple codes. You see an example of this? See here. We can create all these patterns using Python, writing very simple codes. Okay, see here I'm getting another pattern with color, which is very colorful. Break function, a program that reminds you to take a break while sitting for long hours on computer. The program plays your favorite song on the browser so that you can sit back and enjoy your song. See, my break function plays a video on a YouTube. Okay, it will play the video after every time span you give. I gave the time span of 5 seconds, so my video is playing after every 5 seconds. You can change the time span when to what value you want. Okay. So if you have any queries, you can ask. What we offer is lifetime LMS access, on-demand support, EasyLearning.Guru certification, easy and on-demand rescheduling of classes. If you want your classes to be rescheduled according to your convenience, you can call us or drop us a mail, and your class will be set with your trainer. Doubt clearing sessions. We understand that your doubts are important, and therefore we provide you support whenever you need. Our instructors are Python certified, and you can contact us by using our phone number, email ID, that is contact@easylearning.guru, Skype ID, website www.easylearning.guru. Your queries are always welcome. We look for a fruitful association with you. Thank you for watching the demo.